Howdy folks, General back to you. Hey, I'm going to show you a little something other that I use regularly, and I think to make up another one, and I said, yeah, I'm going to give that to YouTube. I mean, it's simple enough, but I'm going to pan it down here, because you don't need to see my pretty face no way. I think that's about low enough there where you can see what I'm doing. Get you a bag, shake it out, make sure there's no hole in it. Get you another bag, same size, shake it out, make sure there's not a hole in it. Stick your hand right in the middle of the bottom of the bag. And cram it down in the other one. And get your handles and shake it out. Lay that down there. Get you another bag, same size. Shake it out, make sure there's not a hole in it. Put your hand down in there and get the middle of it. Grab those two handles and cram that down in there till you get to the handle. Get all three of your handles together. Shake it out. And then come over here on the side on one handle and twist it like that. Get you a couple of inches of tape. And put it over that, like that. Tape that and good. Come around back over the other side of that, where that grip starts. Put that tape on there. Come to the other side, get those three, put them together. And if you don't come down at the bottom of the bag and push it out, your handles won't line up right. Twist it down like that. Get you another piece going. And get you another piece, and you're going to have three on each side. That makes the handle stay a handle, where you don't have to hunt it. My mother showed me this little trick many moons ago, and I've used the poo out of it. Alright, and bury all that junk where the bag comes off the pack. You just have to do it in one spot. Stick it on the inside, stick it on the outside. That holds that, all that folderol, like on this side here, all that mess sticking up there in the way. You just need the outside and the inside. Get all that mess around there and stick it on, wrap it around the other side. Now, you can carry some serious stuff in that. I like to carry waters in them, or you can put pop cans in there, all kind of stuff you can carry in it. Thermos, carry your lunch bags in it. Your lunch in it. You've got 3 thicknesses there, 3 handle thicknesses here. That forms your handles. And if one breaks, so what? You got 2 more. And you're carrying it in tandem like that, see? And it's good to keep 2 or 3 of these around in case you got to grab something up and take off with it. All right. Y'all like and subscribe. Hit the bell and make comments. This General. I love y'all. I'm out.